Want to check Facebook video history but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to check Facebook video history. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook on a device. After that, click on the three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Now click on the Settings button. Scroll down to Your Information section. Select the activity log below it. Tap on the Activity History button. After that, click on the Filter button. Select categories from the options below. Click on the Your Facebook Activity button. Now tap on Post. Select the videos you've watched option. Here you can see all the videos that you have watched, and that's how you can check Facebook video history. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.